We'll guide you through how to get free Streamlabs overlays in just a few simple steps. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Streamlabs website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see a menu on the left side. Look for the Themes tab and click on it. This will take you to the Streamlabs theme library. Here, you'll find a wide range of overlays, both free and paid. To filter out just the free ones, click on the Free Filter option at the top of the page. This will show you all the available free overlays you can use. Browse through the options and find one that suits your style. Once you've found an overlay you like, click on it and you'll be given a preview. If it looks good, click the Install button. Streamlabs will automatically integrate the overlay into your OBS setup. If you're prompted with any installation steps, follow them to ensure the overlay is correctly applied. Remember, you can always go back and change the overlay or try out new ones anytime you want. It's a great way to keep your stream looking fresh and engaging without spending a dime. Don't forget to explore different styles and themes to make your stream unique. And that's it. You've successfully added a free Streamlabs overlay. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.